Lami.
So mga beshies, ito po ang ating mga ingredients sa paggawa ng humpa. So 1 kilong baboy and preferably liempo, 1 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 small pack of banana blossom, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn or paminta, 2 pieces of star anise, 4 pieces of laurel leaves, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 can of pineapple juice, 1 pack of tausi or salted black beans, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of water. So first is marinate the pork meat with garlic, onion, vinegar, and soy sauce. And then ilagay sa ref for at least 1 hour. So after mo siyang na-marinate for 1 hour mga beshies, i-mix mo lang siya uli. So put a little oil in your pan and then fry the marinated pork until mag-brown lang yung karne. And i-brown mo rin yung kabilang side. So, i-mix mo lang yung sauce na ginagamit mo kanina. Brown sugar, tausi or salted black beans, star anise, banana blossom, dahon ng laurel, peppercorn or paminta, pineapple juice, and water. And i-mix mo lang siya mga besh para ma-distribute yung mga ingredients. So, pakuluan mo lang siya ng mga 1 oras or hanggang sa lumambot yung karne. So, after 1 hour mga besh, ito na po yung ating humba. At ito na po yung consistency ng ating sauce.